everyone, welcome to Tech with 254. My name is Rita, and on this platform we teach you how to make money online in Kenya the legit way. So today I just want to talk a little bit about Fiverr, and a lot of you know about Fiverr and you've heard about it. And Fiverr is basically an online platform where sellers and buyers are connected. So someone sells a skill to a buyer and the buyer buys the skill. So you can either be a seller or you can be a buyer. So there's so many people selling different skills on Fiverr, and we've talked a little bit about Fiverr before, and we even have a blog post that talks about Fiverr in depth on our website. So go and check it out. So there's so many skills you can sell on Fiverr, and for example, if you are into graphic design, there are people selling graphic design skills on Fiverr. There are animators on Fiverr. There are video editors on Fiverr. There are freelance writers on Fiverr. So there are all kinds of skills that you can sell on Fiverr. When you sign up for Fiverr, it's important for you to come up with what they call Fiverr gig. So a description of your Fiverr gig. A Fiverr gig is basically how they call Fiverr services. So you have to come up with a description of a gig, and it's good to choose a gig that you're actually good at. So for instance, if you draw, for example, you're an animator, you can choose to sell that as a gig on Fiverr. If you're a website designer, you can choose to sell that on Fiverr as well. There are even voiceover artists. So if you know you have this appealing voice that someone would want to listen to, because there are buyers, for example, who go to Fiverr looking for voiceover artists who can read books that they have, or they can do ads for them. So that's also a gig that you can sell. So you'll be required to come up with a Fiverr gig description, and it's important to, when you're coming up with a Fiverr gig description, to think about things like the right keywords for your Fiverr gig. Keywords allow buyers to find you and to find the service that you're offering. It's also important to be authentic. So you can say something like just a few words about yourself. You can say and let it be legit and authentically you, because the reason why people give a short description of themselves on their Fiverr gig is because even when the buyer is buying a skill, for example, they want to buy a skill from someone, like they want to feel like they're buying it from a person, another human being, and not just a robot who is offering a service. When it comes to Fiverr, the least amount of money that you can sell your gig at is $5, which is really good. That's 500 shillings, and that's really good, and it's a good deal because 500 shilling and you're selling to a number of different clients. That's good money when it adds up. However, it's important for you to remember that patience is important when it comes to using this platform, because you might not get a buyer immediately, and also you will need patience to continue improving your skills. If you want to rate your gigs at a higher price and have people buying your gig, it's important for you to continue improving your skills. Do not give up, guys. Please do not give up. A lot of people rarely make money on such a wonderful platform because they give up too quickly, so they end up not getting any buyer in spite of having really amazing skills. So Fiverr is a really good platform. You can try it out today. Just go and sign up and just go and learn how to write a really nice Fiverr gig description, because the description is what will get your work noticed by the client. So that's all for this video. See you on the next one. Bye.